So he says, Karen, he says, I have a month to live.
Oh, wow.
And he says, and I am in a ton of distress over what I'm referring to as other people's BS. And he says, so I am here to filter out what happens when you die. And he says, when I think about the way that I've been raised, what I've watched on TV, what I've seen in movies, it scares me. And he says, when I talk to my doctor about my stress levels, they tell me that it's normal to have stress when you're dying and that they're going to give me some good medication for that. But he said, I don't know that I want medication to deal with this and to numb me out. I want to deal with what I believe.
Cool.
And I said, but one of the things that I've discovered, and the beauty of that, is that there is a remembering. It isn't a brand new place you're going to that you've never been before, where you're lost or where you don't know where to go or where to sit. I said, like getting into a new city and you're trying to drive around and you have no map.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.